How can we manage and reduce variation in production to ensure stable quality? Statistical Process Control, or SPC for short, is a classic golden standard method for looking at quality in production. Classically, this method is performed post-mortem, which means it's done after all the production is complete for that specific order before analyzing and looking at defects. That also means that we miss the best window for making changes to production to ensure further defects are not produced. TPM provides real-time SPC control for working with IoT data to analyze and detect process variations at the production point. We provide several ready-to-use dashboards that cover all the classic control charts and distribution charts. You can very easily hook up your engineering parameter IoT data and also set the relevant upper and lower limits for each of the parameters and get started very quickly right near your production line. We can see here that from this interface, it's very easy to set up each of the individual control charts. You can select which of the 8 major rules to make alerts from for the parameter data and also define both control and the specification limits for each of the parameters. And once you're done, the system automatically creates a corresponding control chart dashboard for you, and you can select between all the different parameters you can need to monitor very easily. Here we are seeing one of our example dashboards which covers the histogram function. We can see that the deviation for one of the cases shown here, that the data is being plotted by the histogram on the right half of the menu with the live data feed on the left. Here is an example template for the control charts. Using the X-bar control example, we can see that the x-axis data is plotted on the top left diagram with the variation on the bottom half. And we also display the CPK score as well as any of the rule violations on the right side. If you're interested in our real-time SPC, do feel free to contact us from the link below and inquire for a demo. Thank you.